And there it is on the tie-up. See how nice and neat I tied it all up there? Okay. Okay, Mark, here's the boat. Nice and slow. Here's the back of the boat. Kinds of junk there I gotta clean up. That down there is the engine compartment. I won't open it now because I would have to move the thing. That's the backs, one of the seats over here. And that's the lounge over there. Okay, that's the controls over there. Okay, that's my seat, and that's the throttle. Okay. And there's a hatch you go through. And there's the view out the front. And going back around. Okay, there's the back end, and there it is in the dock, as you can see. The door is open. Floor is still a little dirty, gonna have to clean that. Okay, going down the stairs. Okay. Okay, we're now in the cabin. Those are the two sofas and the table. There's the windows. Got all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, there's another seat. That's the back end here. I got the forward hatch open. You got two hatches over there and over there. And there's your little tiny seat that you sit in. That there's your air conditioning controls. And here's the other side. There's your microwave. Storage compartment over here. Okay, put cups and crap in there. There's your sink. Your stereo. Here's your stove. Okay, lift it up. You got two burners in here. You can see where these two things here need to be replaced probably. Right there. Other than that, everything looks good. We got some stuff in here. Some more storage. Got all these shells and stuff in here. All kinds of crap in there. I had to clean that out. Let's see what else we got. Oh, here's the bathroom over here. There it is in there. There's your sink. Your bathroom. Down there is your shower. And this thing here pulls up and becomes your shower. Got more storage up here. And let's see, this here is your, and this here's the door to the control panel. That's your electrical controls here. And down in here is your, what they call the mid-cabin bunk. Got some crap in there I can get rid of, probably. It's not as confining as it looks. Gonna have to get a new sofa too, I think. And there's the outside chair and stack. And let's see what else. Well, that's about it for here. I'll go take a look at the outside here in a second.